So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the detailed analytics of any TikTok account, your favorite TikTok account. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and in the search bar, you have to search for socialblade.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to this website and wait for it to respond. It may take some time depending upon your internet speed, and once it gets open here you have to search in this section. Here you have to go to this option which says TikTok. Just simply click on this option of TikTok, and once you over there go over there, you're gonna see the top creators of TikTok, and here you have to search the creator of which you want to check the detail analytics. For example, let's just go to the Mr. Beast TikTok account, and once you open it, here you're gonna find the detailed analytics of Mr. Beast's YouTube, Mr. Beast's TikTok account. You can see the daily likes, views, followers, and everything else. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.